whole wheat olive ciabatta bread. Are you ready? Here we go. Amazing. Benvenuti a tutti and welcome to another episode of Taste This with Frank Gallo. Now, the bread rose overnight, and I want to share a fun fact with you about aviation. Did you know that there's actually a speed limit for airplanes? That's right. Below 10,000 feet, we cannot exceed 250 knots. What are you doing? Will you relax? I'm trying to do my show here. No, it's my show. No, it's my show. My show. Now get out of there. Forget you. Benvenuti a tutti and welcome to another episode of Taste This with Frank Gallo. Tonight I'm going to make something really interesting. Whole wheat olive ciabatta bread. This is delicious and somewhat healthy also. Stay tuned. Okay, so here are the ingredients for our olive ciabatta bread. We have extra virgin olive oil, a variety of mixed olives that I chopped up. There are some Greek, there are some Italian, there are some Sicilian, various olives chopped up. I have a tablespoon and a half of yeast. I have 1 1/3 cup of warm water. I have honey, sea salt, which is right here also, and 3 1/2 cups of whole wheat flour. And we'll start with the salt. Put the salt. Be sure to mix it. Okay, now we are going to add the yeast to our 1/3 cup of warm water. And we're going to start thoroughly and pour it into the flour. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add my olives. Okay, and I'm going to mix them in with the dough. This is how you make sure that all of the olives are spread out through the dough. You can see it's considerably wet, so we're going to add just a little bit of flour. Not too much. A little bit at a time until you get that consistency that you want. Now that's the consistency we're looking for. You see those beautiful olives in there, just floating around in our dough. Beautiful. What we're going to do now, we're going to put it out on our cutting board, and we're going to knead it just a little bit. We're going to take our scraper, and with our scraper, we'll just knead it just a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil here. Now we're going to cover our beautiful dough here, beautiful olive bread dough, with our saran wrap, just like that. You can see it's airtight now, pretty much airtight. There it is, and we're going to let it sit for 24 hours. Okay, so as you can see, our dough has risen overnight. I let this stay overnight to rise because of all the ingredients in it. We're just going to turn it over onto our table here. There it is. As you can see, the consistency is exactly what it always is when we make our ciabatta bread. Excellent, excellent aroma. You can smell the olives, it's so beautiful. I'm just going to give it a couple turns here. We're just going to make one big loaf. So what I'm going to do is put some flour in my pan. so it doesn't stick. We're going to transfer it over. Just like that. We'll give it some shape in the pan. Don't worry about the shape. It's all going to look the same in your stomach. And we'll give it the blessing that we always do. Line down the center. Okay, that'll make a nice split in the bread. And then we'll give it the cross. And I'll drizzle some olive oil down the center, as I always do. Give it just a touch of sprinkle of flour over the top. And into the oven it goes, 475 degrees for approximately 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, our olive ciabatta bread is ready to come out of the oven. It's been 35 minutes now. Ah, look at that. It's time. It's time to taste this with Frank Gallo, my homemade whole wheat olive ciabatta bread. Are you ready? Here we go. Amazing. Oh. What do you think? Should I give a little bit to my evil twin brother? Yeah, I guess I will. Frank! Frank! What do you want? Come on! Come on, I'll let you taste some. Really? Come on, let's go. All right. Really? You're serious? All right, yeah, I'll have you some. Hey everyone, how you doing? I really appreciate this, you know. That's really nice of you. Now that's good. Let me tell you something, you. Yeah. All right. No. All right. Now go on, get out of here. You're good, you. Go back to your logbook or something. You? Scram. You're good. You are good. I'd like to thank you all for watching this episode of Taste This with Frank Gallo whole wheat olive ciabatta bread. I need you to like and subscribe to my channel. It's really important so I can continue to bring you all of Mama Gallo's great recipes. But more important than anything, I love you, Mama. I miss you. Rest in peace.